Look around you, different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
Hello and welcome. You have tuned into Buy Now, Sell Now, and ET Now, and this is the show where we get you answers for all your stock-related queries, and indeed for the markets as well. We will guide you with our whole host of experts joining us on the show right now. So secondary markets, definitely a lot of action is indeed happening, but with respect to the IPO world, a lot of these new listings are also happening. So firstly, let me take it across to the management of Jinkushal Industries joining us on the show right now. We have Abhinav Jain, who's the promoter and director, as well as Sumeet Kumar, who's the chief financial officer of the company, joining us on the show. A very good morning, gentlemen, and firstly, congratulations on the listing. The IPO raised over 100 crores, largely through fresh issue. If you can firstly help us understand what are the plans to deploy this money in the near term, and how do you feel after the listing?
First of all, thanks a lot. Many thanks for your wishes. And to answer your question, our plans are very straightforward: to continue our global growth and expansion, strengthen our brand, and improve our top line and bottom line year on year, as we have been doing so far over the past many years.
But along with that, help us understand what are the growth plans going ahead, because since you just highlighted to improve the financials, that's the key motto. What sort of an improvement in numbers can we expect across the board, be it the top line, bottom line, and how will the margin expansion play out for the company?
Well, from March 2018, we were at 10 odd crores of export revenue, and in March 2025, we closed about at 380 crores of export revenue. So you can imagine the kind of growth that we have been undergoing. And there have been phases where we have done top line improvement, and there have been phases of growth where we have done margin or operating margin or PAT improvement or bottom line improvement. And we really hope to continue the same kind of growth, and our focus will definitely be on the bottom lines in the quarters to come and the financial years to come.
Sumeet, you're present in 30 plus countries already. Now, which geographies and your biggest revenue contributions are from where? If you could just explain that to us. And where do you see the next leg of growth?
So yeah, we are definitely, as you said, we are present in 30 more countries in 6 across continents, and we have a very diversified geography with diversified customer base and a very well diversified portfolio. Currently our sales were high in Mexico. We are present in all other countries as well, so we will be diversifying more and pumping the growth to the existing customers and acquiring new customers as well.
All right, but Abhinav, the demand for the used and the customized construction machinery is your niche. How resilient is this demand cycle compared to the new equipment sales? If you can help us understand the dynamics.
Yeah, very, very interesting question. And to answer that, I would like to tell you that there have been some statistics or general layman terms where every 1 in 3 equipment sold are used equipment, because one new equipment is just sold once and used equipment are just sold over and over again. More than that, as per Carriage reports, in 2024, the global market for used construction machines were 10 lakh crores, and which is supposed to go all the way with 6.0% CAGR in 2029 to about 16 lakh crores, from $132 billion to $177 billion. So there's a very big headroom for us to grow, and we're hoping to cover a portion of that market.
Sumeet, now as a global exporter, how exposed are you to currency volatility and trade policy risk?
Yeah, definitely exports have trade market and foreign exchange fluctuation risk, but we hedge all our export remittances through forward contracts. So That's not a case where we are open to that, but we are very well hedged for that.
All right, but Abhinav, you just talked about the financials, the growth outlook, and lots more. But what's your medium-term vision? What will be your expansion plan related to areas like servicing, financing, and leasing machinery? What will be the key growth triggers for the company going ahead?
I can definitely answer this question directly, and we have less than 1% of our revenue on equipment leasing and other services, but our major focus going forward is definitely going to be on our own brand, Hexcel, which we have launched recently. And I believe branding in any kind, and especially in an industry like capital goods, can reap good benefits and good returns. We are going to allocate a portion of the capital raised on that vertical, along with, of course, our bread and butter daily verticals of used and new construction machines, customized or refurbished. So Hexcel brand of ours is definitely going to be a key growth driver in the quarters to come.